again, welcome to today's attempt at a Yeardle puzzle. 3 more events that took place in the same year, and I'm going to try and guess what year that was. Now, these feel like relatively recent events, by which I mean the last couple of 100 years. Sometimes the events are thousands of years away, or ago rather, so a couple of 100 years ago does still count as being recent in this context. I don't know when any of them were, though, that's the problem. The first accurate measurement of distance to a star, I mean, I can imagine that was about 400 years ago, but I don't think it was, based on the other 2 clues. I have no idea about that top clue. I think it's South African, which means obviously it must be after South Africa was discovered, let's say. I don't know whether that happened before or after America was discovered in 1492. And that bottom clue, I mean, that also feels like it could be more recent than the 1600s, but even then, a polytechnic institution, it could have been formed anywhere, really, or at any time, rather. So I actually have no idea. I feel like I wouldn't be surprised if it's as long ago as 1400. I don't think it's going to be any earlier than that. But I do think it's more likely to be 17, 18, 1900s. So let's start with 1775, maybe? I don't know. Within 200 years. That was a start. Let's go a bit later. It was 1800s. Okay. Now we know. We can make smaller jumps. We are heading slowly in the right direction. Still could be closer to 1825 or closer to 1840. Let's try 26. Okay, I've moved the wrong way, so it's got to be 37, 38, 39 or 40. So we'll go for 40. Now it's got to be 38 or 39. So I am guaranteed to succeed, which is always a relief. We'll try the even year first again. And we get there in 7. So what's that, 63 years off of my first guess? Not my best, but definitely not my worst. I did say at one point 19th century. But I also said a lot of other things. Anyway, it wasn't terrible, by my standards anyway. Let me know how you got on. That's Yeardle. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.